Let me show you an easy way to fix Facebook video lag. Video lag is usually caused by 1, an issue with your internet connection, or 2, an issue with Facebook itself. I'll walk you through how to diagnose which one's the problem and how to fix it. Now, the first thing we can do is open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or go to facebook.com. We need to get to your settings, so tap on Menu at the bottom right. It might be at the top right, and then scroll down, open up Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. Now, after we've done that, all you need to do is scroll down, and the first place that we will look is your media preferences. So tap on Media here, and there are 2 things. You can see video quality. If it's set to data saver, essentially this might slow down and have low resolution for all of the videos. You might want to switch it to optimize, which will just optimize that video based on your current internet speed. I would also recommend going down and switching this to never autoplay videos so it doesn't slow down everything in the app itself. The next thing we'll do if it's still slow is let's go to Google, a web browser or whatever you want to use, and we'll just type in speed test. Run a quick speed test here to see if you have good internet. You can see anything above, say, 5 megabytes per second will be fast enough to run those videos. After we've done that, let's open up the Settings app if it's still a problem for you. Tap on General and then iPhone Storage. The nice thing is all we need to do is scroll down and choose Facebook. We can choose to offload this app and reinstall it. Keep in mind, if you're on an Android phone, you can always just clear the cache and clear all the cookies and temporary data. After it's been force updated to the latest version, we can just open up that Facebook app and it should be running normally.